So we got a heck of a deal on this stroller for our short barking person, and we love it, actually. I mean, everything about it has been perfect for what we need, except for this one little problem that just popped up. So you see this front wheel? All of a sudden it won't roll, it's stuck, and there's a reason for that. I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so as you can see, it's rubbing on this rod right here when you put pressure on it, and it's supposed to be forward of this position. And what's happened is that the weld right there has broken. It was a kind of a poor weld in the first place because it's only one little side of this assembly, and if you take this and you pull on it like this, it puts itself back in the position it's supposed to be in. But see, there's only welding on one side here, and that's fractured. So I get to take this out of here and fix that. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge. I got to weld the other side, but first I've got to clean it up, so stand by. Alright, so now that I've got the wheel off, there's the wheel, I've got to take the wheel off of the assembly so I don't set it on fire with an oxyacetylene torch. Take off that screw. Let's see how that works. Okay, so now that I have it apart, we've got the wheel. Got this. And this is the problem. Right there. See, it's welded on one side, it's rusted. It's not welded on the other side. Now I gotta get that clean and fill that in. So that's my next little project here this morning. Alright, that ought to about do it. That sucker's welded in place nice and tight. All fixed. Fork straightened, reassembled, everything works the way it's supposed to. Interesting project.